Hey everybody, it's Tana here from the Textdrip demo team, and today I'm going to be showing you how to get the most out of your drip campaigns by using the merge fields. So let's go ahead and take a look at a drip campaign that I am currently working on. Now, when you reach out to your customers, you basically want them to feel like the message is specifically for them. Now, I know what you're thinking. That sounds great and all, but adding a customer's name to each and every single message can take hours, and nobody has time for that. But using our merge fields is exactly how you can actually do that. Merge fields are a way to customize your messages to each customer by adding on their personal information. So let's take a look at the first message here. Instead of saying, hi, I just received your request, let's add in their first name. Now, we can do that by our merge fields. So all you have to do is copy where it says first here with the brackets. Go ahead and copy that. And then you're going to go ahead and put it in where you want your customer's first name to go. So I want it to go in here right after the word first. So I'm going to go ahead and paste that. And let me just add a space here. Now I just went ahead and added in that merge field. And just like that, our system is going to automatically add in your customer's first name. Now we have merge fields for first name, last name, email, birthday, and address. City, state, zip code. We also have up to 5 custom fields for all of our customers too as well. So if you're sending out your customer's information through our browser extension that we have here at the top, or you're uploading via CSV file, you can personalize all of your messages to meet your customer's needs. But here's a few tips. Now, make sure you copy and paste just like how I did from our merge fields, or you're going to type it out exactly how it appears here at the bottom. Any alterations to the merge fields will result in it not filling out your customer's name or any information at all. Also remember that depending upon the character count that's going to be added with your customer's information, that character count is going to be finalized when it actually gets sent out to your customers. So make sure you know that can also change. Now, for more information or more details about drip campaigns, please check out the rest of the videos in our drip campaign series playlist right here on YouTube. Or you can always book a demo. You can always click here to where it says help. That is going to help you with your drip campaigns too as well. Or you can always go to textdrip.com. And remember, subject to change as we continue to grow and update. Bye, everybody.